Maharashtra now, viewers, where doctors in Maharashtra have lashed out at Sena over Sanjay Raut's comment that compounders are better than doctors. In fact, despite the outrage, Sanjay Raut remains defiant and he said that he hasn't said anything wrong. It is important to note that Sanjay Raut had recently made a comment on the doctors stating that he does not understand or he does not believe in doctors, but he rather take his medication from a compounder, clearly hurting the sentiments of doctors, in a way demoralizing them as well. And the latest statement coming in that Sanjay Raut refuses to in fact apologize for his comment. The doctors are demanding an apology from him, from Shiv Sena as well. But it seems like Sanjay Raut remains defiant on this entire issue.
किसी का अपमान नहीं किया है और डॉक्टर का अपमान तो हमसे हो भी नहीं सकता। पूरे महाराष्ट्र में, पूरे देश में हमारे जो डॉक्टर है, नर्सेस है, वार्ड बॉयज है, जिस तरह से इस कोविड के संकट में काम कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो अपमान करने का कोई प्रश्न निर्माण नहीं होता है, ना किसी ने मजाक भी किया है। मैंने WHO के बारे में एक बात कही और ये बात तो बहुत से लोगों ने कही है, मैंने थोड़ी कही। ये WHO में अगर ठीक तरह से काम चलता है तो ये कोविड की महामारी पूरे विश्व में नहीं फैल जाती। ये मेरी बात है, बाकी कुछ नहीं।
Let's go across to my colleague Alisha now joining us with more on this. So Alisha, Sanjay Raut refusing to apologize for his insensitive comments. He first states that he believes more in compounders than doctors. He prefers taking his medications from compounders as well. In fact, we are noting that doctors have also sought an apology, but he refuses to apologize.
देखिए, शिवसेना के अपने ही बयान पर पलटना ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर उनके पहले के स्टेटमेंट देखो, तो संजय राउत के अगर स्टेटमेंट को देखा जाए, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि डॉक्टर्स जो है वो कभी कुछ नहीं जानते, मैं खुद जो है मेडिसिन कभी डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाता, जो भी मेडिसिन होता है मैं कंपाउंडर से लेता हूँ, क्योंकि वो ज्यादा जानते हैं। और खास तौर पर अगर WHO की बात करें तो उन्होंने ये तक कहा है कि WHO एक यूजलेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, जहां पर अपने पिछले बयान पर की थी। और हमने देखा कि इंडियन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन की ओर से तमाम डॉक्टर्स की ये डिमांड थी कि इसकी जो स्टेटमेंट संजय राउत की ओर से दी गई थी, एक माफीनामा जरूर जो है वो सामने रखे, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं डॉक्टर्स का अपमान करते हुए संजय राउत नजर आए थे। वहीं पर आज अपने ही बात पर पलटते हुए संजय राउत ये कहते हैं कि डॉक्टर, जो तमाम डॉक्टर्स से, चाहे महाराष्ट्र हो, देश भर के डॉक्टर्स हो, आज इस पैंडेमिक के समय काम करते हैं, तो वो कभी भी डॉक्टर्स का अपमान नहीं कर सकते। पर वही एक तरफा जो बयान उन्होंने पहले दिया और सभी तमाम जनता ने उनके बयान सुना है, जहाँ पर वो कह रहे थे कि डॉक्टर कुछ नहीं जानते, डॉक्टर से नहीं और पर कंपाउंडर से लेता हूँ।
All right, so despite the outrage, despite the doctors demanding an apology, Sanjay Raut has said that he has done nothing wrong. In fact, we have several reactions coming in. Let's listen to what Santosh Kadam has to state on this entire matter.
Yesterday's unfortunate remark by Member of Parliament Sri Sanjay J. Raut and leader of Shiv Sena. What he said is very unfortunate against this doctor community as well as healthcare workers. This comment is particularly very condemnable, as all the healthcare workers and doctors in this pandemic are working with lot of difficulties. We are facing threat to our life. In my Indian Medical Association Thane branch, while serving for the society, 4 doctors already led their life. Almost 150 doctors in Thane city got infection, including myself. I myself was admitted for 10 days in the ICU. Not only that, we are carrying this infection to our family members, to our old parents. 2 of my doctors' parents have succumbed to the COVID death. As that doctor particularly carried this infection, he recovered being young, but he could not save his parents. We are working as per the appeal of our Honorable Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and working for the society, we are providing best of the best treatment to our nation and to our people as well as society. If you compare, the death rate in India is 2.5 as compared to the European countries where the death rate is very high. When you do a lot of testing, the death rate goes down. European countries have done a lot of testing. Still their death rate is higher than us. Our testing rate is less. In spite of that, there are many cases and we could save many lives and keep under control the death rate of 2.5. So our treatment line is being studied by the European countries, and the best treatment we are providing, we have formulated best protocols for the treatment of the patients. And when doctors are working such in a good
With India